exciting experiment for you guys. We're going to be doing the sugar sand experiment. For this experiment, you're going to need a pan, sand, 10 grams of baking soda, 40 grams of sugar, and you're going to need a spoon because we're going to mix these two together, a lighter and lighting fluid, and of course, you're going to need your goggles and a fire extinguisher just in case something happens. Now we're going to start the experiment. So first, we're going to mix the 10 grams of baking soda and the 40 grams of sugar together. Yeah, you should do it.
Now we're going to mix it.
And mix it with the spoon.
Yeah. Now my dad's going to pour the lighting fluid inside the sand so it's all wet. Then he's going to pour the mixture on top of the sand. Now let's get to it.
So now we're going to put on our goggles and step to the side. It looks like it's going to be all wet.
Yeah, at the middle.
Oh, it's black. It's coming. It's coming.
Yeah. I see it.
I can see it. I can see it's coming.
Wow.
Like every single, it's only like the mixture. The mixture is like the mixture is like burning, so it's making this. It's making like the snake.
Oh, my hands are getting warm. So I'm gonna...
Guys, it looks like a tree trunk coming out of the ground. It looks so cool. I didn't even know this was possible.
It looks very nasty.
It looks very nasty. It smells weird, but this is a fun experiment. You guys should try this for yourself, but make sure an adult is with you.
It looks like a worm.
It really looks like a worm. It looks like a worm coming up from the ground. Guys, it looks like a rock right now. It really looks like a rock. Well, kind of like a burnt turtle or something like that.
Turtle.
A burnt turtle. It looks so cool. We really didn't get it as big as we wanted it, but this is fine. It really looks really cool. It looks big. It looks so cool. You guys should really try this for yourself.
Yep.
Like really, really try this for yourself.
It's really, really fun.
What we learned for this experiment is, as sugar burns, it leaves behind carbon ash. While the carbon ash is being puffed up, carbon dioxide is released while the baking soda is being decomposed.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to know when we post a new video. Bye!